Here I have ALCATEL free, and let me show you how to block numbers on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the phone's dialer right here. Choose here more key and select block numbers. So here you can add a number to block. Let me tap add a number. Now let's enter some number. In my case, let me use some random one, tap block, and you won't receive calls and text from blocked number from the following one. If you would like to remove this number from this list, let's use this icon and tap unblock. That's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.